Eminye lemikhiqizo yafaka emabhodleleni ngo-2015 yadlulelwa isikhathi sokusetshenziswa eminyakeni emithathu edlule. Umnikazi wesitolo uthi abathengi bangena esitolo bazi ukuthi balindeleni.
We would urge the clients not to buy or to purchase goods that are near its sell-by expiry date. Secondly, if a client finds that the good has expired or it's not of a safe quality, we first request that the client goes back to the supplier and ask for either a refund or a replacement of that good.
Abanye abathengi bathi bayasizakala ngokwehliswa kwamanani ikakhulukazi emikhiqizweni engadliwa.
I don't just buy anything, no. But when it comes to something like that you can use maybe in the house, like sunlight and all the other stuffs, I normally buy it.
Abanye bathi lezi impahla ziyingozi empilweni yabathengi, izitolo ezifana nalesi kufanele zivalwe.
These people want to make us sick, and my point of view, my idea is that this shop must be closed.
You're wrong.
Abahloli bezempilo bazovakashela lesitolo ukuyobheka ukulandelwa komthetho.